Okay, how do you unblock a caller? If you've gone through the process of blocking a bunch of callers, by let's say you block this caller by clicking this. Oops, I already blocked them. But if you block them and then you want to unblock them and you don't have them in your recents, you're going to have to go to settings to unblock a caller. You're in settings, go all the way down to phone, call blocking and identification. Here are all the block numbers. So we're going to go to edit and then hit the minus to unblock it. Touch unblock and then done. I'm going to leave it blocked for now. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.